In this video, I want to share what I've found to be the best online marketing business for beginners to make more money. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've done both online network marketing and affiliate marketing full-time for over 20 years now. What I'm going to share may be the fastest and the easiest way yet to make money online, even with no previous experience. And it's ideal for experienced marketers too. This is a business I build myself. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content that you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And right up front, I want to be sure that you realize that this online business is ideal for busy people. Almost everyone who starts out with us does it around working a career, raising a family, or other time constraints. It's something anyone can do in just a few hours per week, whenever it's convenient for you. I even do it while I'm sailing in the summer or when I'm skiing in the winter, and I ski or sail most days thanks to the power of the automated system we use. So if you have already looked at or maybe even tried another online marketing business and have become frustrated with how difficult it is, how much time it takes, or maybe how little money you've made, stick with me. This business is different. I'll show you why. First, it's flat out simple. You don't have to create anything. If you can send and receive email, if you are willing to follow simple instructions, and if you are comfortable asking for help when you have a question, this business is for you. Our team will give you everything you need, including a high converting sales funnel, for free. It's the exact same sales funnel that I use, but it's personalized to brand and promote you. You'll get lead capture pages, or what are also called landing pages, beautiful sales pages, and professionally written, ready-to-go emails to put in your autoresponder for automated follow-up, again, all for free. Once you're set up, you just let the system run and let the power of automation do the work. It even works while you're at the beach, watching TV, or sleeping. Then, all you have to do is use one of the free traffic methods we teach you to get people to your website. And you'll be amazed at how simple this is to do. It's probably what we do best. And like I said, you can do this around everything else in life whenever it's convenient for you. This simple, proven system is how we leverage our time so that we only work a few hours a week and create a dream lifestyle. Our online business is not just about making money, but creating time freedom too. We provide the best training you'll find. We have an exclusive members training website that's for our team only, company training throughout the week, both live and recorded, and a Facebook group where we all share ideas with each other and answer questions. And best of all, you will get my personal one-on-one mentoring. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, cell, or Facebook Messenger, whatever works best for you. I do this full time. I'm accessible. I want to help you. And that's not just sales talk. I make more money by helping you succeed. You will not be left wondering about anything. I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You really can do this in just a few hours per week. And I'll bet you're wondering about a couple things. Well, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And as for cost, this is the most affordable home business I've found. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy products every month. I really hate that. To learn more, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.